Alrighty, today we are working on planks. We got 5 points to make here. Point number 1, proper setup. You want your elbows under your shoulders. You want to joint stack, flat back, on your toes, flex your glutes and your core, neck in neutral spine. As you can see there, I'm looking down. Number 2, time. How long you perform this workout. Begin with just 15 seconds. This video is longer than should be. Graduate by adding 5 seconds for each set that you do as you get stronger each week. All right, I can break that down in more description if you DM me. Number 3, breathing. Breathe normal while keeping your core tight. Your muscles need oxygen during this isometric contraction. Number 4, do not compromise your form. If you start to sag or feel your body straining, please stop. Do not hurt yourself. We are beginners here. Let's just gradually make ourselves stronger, better over time. 5, the muscles. What are we working when doing a plank? So in the low plank, we are working our shoulders. That would be our deltoid muscles. We are working our rhomboids in our back here. We're working our latissimus dorsi, known as lats. The lats are that V in behind a person's back. It's basically on the sides. We're working the erector spinae muscles that are right along the length of your spine. We're working the abs. Of course, we're working the abs. It's very core dominant exercise. We're working those erectus abdominis muscles, those obliques, the transverse abs a little bit as you're sucking in air and you're squeezing your core together. That would be the transverse abs. You're working your QL, your quadratus lumborum, and a bunch of other little synergist muscles stabilizing your body. In the high plank, when you go to an outstretched arm and it's like doing a push-up, you get your arms a little bit more involved. So you do get a little bit of isometric contraction all in the bicep, tricep area, maybe even the forearm a little bit, just a little bit. It's not targeting that area, but those muscles are doing a little bit of work. So it's a full body exercise essentially. Planks are great, right? They are awesome. Just as long as you're keeping things safe and not pushing yourself and straining your body, it's an excellent exercise. I highly recommend it. As I was saying earlier, is do the exercise for 15 seconds just to start off. Don't go overboard. Don't go crazy. It's kind of like a trend that people go for an extended period of time where it's not very good on the body. Also, if you need a workout mat, check the description below. I will leave a few different links for a variety of different types of mats. One that is eco-friendly, one that is 1 inch thick and different colors combined so that it will help you keep comfortable while doing your workouts on the floor. And if you feel this video brings you value, like, subscribe, stay tuned weekly because Couch Athlete will continue to level up your fitness game. Thanks for watching, guys.